Hey guys, welcome to Homemade. So hope you guys are doing really well. So today's vlog is all about my busy Friday mornings. So mornings are generally super busy for me. As many of you all know, I have two children. One is in grade one, and the other one is in pre-KG. So, however busy my mornings are, I ensure to have the cinnamon tea. So, it's as simple as that. Just boil water along with the cinnamon stick, and you can just have it. This really helps in reducing excess fat and also improves metabolism. So, since we are Sharjah people, we always enjoy this. Privilege of having 3 days holidays, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. But again, Friday we work half a day. My children come along with me, so I'll have to pack lunch for them. So Fridays are mostly with chicken nuggets or chicken strips, or if it's from French fries, because there's only one break, and mostly we come around by 11:30 maximum. So yeah, and there's no much recipe that I added on. It's just on how my morning routine go ahead before leaving from home. So by then I was already in a rush. It was already late because the bus reaches by 7:10, and morning tea is a must for my husband. So that also is mandatory. Since this video was shot a very long time, just wanted to give a heads up on how Evaan had participated in a cooking competition, which was organized by Nellara in Estomia Mall. So this was a long back video which I had recorded, like I told earlier. This is his first cooking with fire. So I was very much skeptical on how this will go ahead, but yeah, he made a prawns fry, which pretty much came out well, and the people who were there as volunteers had helped him in organizing his cooking. So it was all about experience which he had enjoyed. It's not about winning. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. So it's a very simple quick video which I just wanted to share it with you all. So see you soon.